I choose my clothes for the day. I choose my clothes. Day.
I make a smoothie for breakfast. I make a smoothie for breakfast.
I put on deodorant after my shower. I put on deodorant after my shower.
I check my emails in the morning. I check my emails in the morning.
I make pancakes on the weekend. I make pancakes on the weekend.
I am ready for a beautiful day. I am red for a beautiful day.
I wake up and see the sunshine.
I use a coffee machine every morning.
I do push-ups every morning. I do push-ups every morning.
I tie my hair before I go out. I tie my hair before I go out.
I put butter on my toast. I put butter on my toast.
I plan my day every morning. I plan my day every morning.
I check my bike before I leave. I check my bike before I leave.
I breathe deeply to
I pack my bag for work. I pack my bag for work.
I lock the door and start my day. I lock the door and start my day.
I wake up at 7 o'clock. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I brush my teeth every morning. I
Brush
my teeth every morning.
I take a shower before breakfast. I take a shower before breakfast.
I get dressed for work. I get dressed. Work.
I eat breakfast in the kitchen. I eat breakfast in the kitchen.
I make a cup of coffee. I make a cup of coffee.
I check my phone in the morning. I check my phone in the morning.
I leave the house at 8. I leave the house at 8.
I wait for the bus. I wait for the bus.
I arrive at work on time. I arrive at work.
I open the curtains every morning. I open curtain every morning.
I wash my face with cold water. I wash my face with cold water.
I eat fruit every morning. I eat fruit every morning.
I do exercise before work. I do exercise before work.
I comb my hair in the morning. I comb my hair in the morning.
I pack my lunch before I leave. I pack my lunch before I leave.
I watch the news in the morning. I watch the news in the morning.
I make my bed after I wake up. I make bed after I wake up.
I drink a glass of water first. I drink a glass of water.
I check my bag before I go. I check my bag before I go.
I put on sunscreen every day.
I listen to music on my way to work. I listen to music on my way to work.
I write my plan for the day. I write my plan for the day.
I set my alarm for tomorrow. I set my alarm for tomorrow.
I feed my cat in the morning. I feed my cat in the morning.
I shave my face every morning. I shave my face every morning.
I make tea before breakfast. I make tea before breakfast.
I drive to work every day. I drive to work every day.
I start work and have a great day.
I drink orange juice for breakfast. I drink orange juice for breakfast.
I jump to wake my body up. I jump to wake my body up.
I put on my earrings before I go. I put on my earrings before I go.
I cook eggs for breakfast. I cook eggs for breakfast.
I finish my exercise and feel great. I finish my exercise and feel great.
I wear my watch every day. I wear my watch every day.
I take my vitamins in the morning. I take my vitamins in the morning.
I walk my dog before breakfast. I walk my dog before breakfast.
I write in my journal every morning. I write in my journal every morning.
I use mouthwash after I brush. I use mouthwash after I brush.
I prepare my lunch in the morning. I prepare my lunch. Morning.
I meditate for 5 minutes. I meditate for 5.
I enjoy the fresh air in the morning. I enjoy the fresh air morning.
I have cereal with milk. I have cereal with milk.
I put on lipstick before work. I put on lipstick before work.
I ride my bike to work. I ride my bike to work.
I read a little before I start my day. I read a little before I start my day.
I wash the dishes in the morning. I wash the dishes in the morning.
I
Say goodbye to my
family.
I take the subway to work. I take the subway to work.
I fold my clothes in the morning. I fold my clothes in the morning.